Welcome to the How to Draw Easy Scenery channel, everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a beautiful moonlight scenery, and we'll be using oil pastels the whole way. Just follow each step with me, okay? By the end, you'll have your very own version of this drawing. Step 1. Let's sketch it out. First up, making the sketch. I'm using a twin tip marker here, but don't worry if you don't have one. Any regular pen or marker works just fine. Always start with a pencil first, and keep your lines light. Once you're happy with how it looks, you can go over the sketch again with your pen or marker to make the lines nice and bold. Step 2. Time to add color. Alright, step 2. Let's bring this to life with color. First, pick out the same colors you see me using in the video. I suggest using a set of 48 or 72 oil pastels if you can. Having more colors to choose from makes it so much easier to follow along and get the exact same look. We'll take it slow, first laying down the base colors, then blending them together softly. A quick tip, don't press too hard with your oil pastels. If you use gentle, even pressure, the colors will come out bright, smooth, and won't clump up on the paper. And one more thing, try to color in one steady direction the whole time. It makes a huge difference. Your work will look way neater and more natural. Step 3. The finishing touches. Now for step 3. Almost done. Once you've finished all your coloring, the last thing to do is make those colors really pop so they look bright and full of life. Take a deep black colored pencil and carefully go over every single outline in your drawing. It sounds simple, but it makes all the difference. Your scenery will instantly look sharper, cleaner, and so much better. Closing. And you're finished. Great job following along. Good luck with your artwork. I can't wait to see what you create.
Hi, thank you so much for watching. Please click the like button if you like this video. Give me your feedback in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video to all of your friends, and see you in the next video.